So we have been brushing our long hair for a really long time now, maybe years, and we do it the same way over and over again every single day, multiple times. Partition the hair, grab it, and do the ends first. Move a little further, comb again, move a little bit more, and comb again, and repeat the same thing until you reach the top. And then do the same thing again on the other side. Assuming this is how you also comb your hair. And there's nothing wrong with combing this way, really. But the only downside is it takes a lot of time to comb the hair this way. And the longer your hair, the longer it is going to take for you to comb it. So here is a new way of combing the hair that is a lot faster than the traditional one. So all this one requires you to do is to partition your hair and comb it from the top to the ends right away. But the catch is, you'll have to make the strokes with the brush or the comb faster than you usually would. Now you may think that if you comb your long hair this way, the comb is gonna pull your hair too hard and you're gonna feel the pain on the head. But actually that is not the case. I can't feel a single hair strand being pulled from the head. And that may be because we're pulling multiple hair strands at once, so maybe the force is getting divided among all of them. But whatever the case is, it doesn't pull the hair as much as you think it does. And as a result, it does not result in any hair loss as well. But that also does not mean that it is not causing any amount of damage to the hair. Because we are not doing it from the ends to the top, but the other way around, we are basically forcing the hair to detangle. This is obviously going to result in the application of some force on the hair ends, as they are usually the most tangled up part of the hair. So the hair ends that are already too damaged may turn into split ends over time if someone were to use this method regularly 2-3 times a day. And therefore, I am saying this. Do not use this method regularly every time you comb your hair. Keep this reserved only for the times when you're getting late for something. Do not use this method if your hair is naturally on the dry side. As dry the hair is, more the friction is going to be caused and hence more damage. And finally, do not use this method if you do not properly oil your hair. I mean, if you don't apply oil to your hair at least every time you wash it, because again, to reduce some of the friction caused during the process. So just be a little more careful, okay? But if you found out something new today, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. But with that being said, I'll see you around, Alpha.